I created Vue.js Notes application with login and registration, connected it with Yii2 REST API, and deployed the final application on Digitalocean with SSL. Let's have a look. Hello guys, what's up? I'm the Codeholic and welcome to my channel. On this channel I do coding tutorials and challenges, so if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. First, let's have a look at the working demo. When you open the URL, you are redirected to the login page. You can log in or create new account. When you are logged in, you can create your own notes, update them or delete them, and that's basically it. This video will be released in several parts, so if you are just interested in Vue.js and not in Yii2 framework, you might find this video also useful, or a couple of parts of this video, such as creating Vue.js application or connecting it with REST API. Every single line of the code what I have written in this tutorial is available on my GitHub account. Feel free to check it out, clone, experiment with it, and give it a star. Before I start, many people are asking me to create Yii2 course on Udemy or on another platform, and I'm also interested in your opinion, and let me know in the comment section if you want that course and what kind of projects you want inside the course. If you find this video useful, definitely hit the like and subscribe buttons and let me know in the comment section about it. Also, let me know what type of projects you want to see on my channel. Okay, enough talking, let's start. Alright, so let's start, and first we need to create Yii2 basic application project and Vue.js project and set up both of them, make both of them working, and then we will start Vue.js with Vue.js part and create notes application there first. Okay, so for this we will need to have Composer installed. So make sure you have Composer installed, which is a dependency manager for PHP. Click download button and choose your operating system version and download it. After this, we can already install Yii2 basic application. Okay, so just follow down, scroll down and find the installation section, and this is the command which we're going to run. And we need to run this from your xampp installation htdocs folder. Okay, so this is where my xampp is installed. I'm going to open my bash terminal and run the following command. Okay, Composer create project, prefer dist esoft Yii2 basic application, and I'm going to give here a name. Okay, Vue.js Yii2 notes. Hit the enter, and this will take a couple of minutes or seconds depending if you have already run this command or not. And let's open the browser, and we also need to have installed Node.js and npm package. Okay, so download the latest version of Node.js if you don't have it installed, and then we need to install Vue CLI, which is a command line tool to create and customize Vue.js projects. Okay, since you have successfully installed Node.js, you need to run npm install -g vue /CLI, and then this will create a Vue CLI, and this will make Vue command globally to be available. Okay, so when the Composer create project is done, we need to run this command Vue create project to create Vue.js application. Okay, let's wait until this is done. Actually, I can open already the folder with my PHP storm. Okay, so here I have it. This is still running, but I can actually run Vue create in a separate terminal. Okay, so I'm in the project. I can click that terminal. If you are using VS Code or any other IDE, the VS Code also has its own integrated terminal. But if you don't have VS Code or any other IDE, so you can use native bash terminal. Okay, just copy the path, open cmd, and run there the following command. Okay, to create Vue.js application. Vue create, and I'm going to call actually Vue.js. Okay, so this will create Vue.js folder in the current folder Yii2 application. Okay, let's run this, And let's have a look in the second terminal. Okay, Composer was successfully run, and we can navigate to the project folder. Actually, let me close this. Oh, here it is. So when you run Vue create Vue.js, it actually asks you to choose preset, and I'm going to go with default, and this will initialize now the project. Okay, let's open phpstorm, and here I'm in the project root directory, and I'm going to run here php e serve. Okay, this will start Yii2 basic applications built-in server. Okay, so let's open this in the browser. I'm going to close these links, and let's open localhost port 8080. And here is our Yii2 application up and running. And let's see when the Vue.js is installed. Okay, so Vue.js application was also successfully installed. I'm going to close this terminal because generally phpstorm gives me everything I need. I'm going to open second terminal, navigate to the Vue.js folder, and run from there npm run serve. Okay, so this will try to start the built-in server on port 8080, but as far as this is already occupied, it will take port 8081. So let's open localhost port 8081 in the browser, and here is our Vue.js application. Okay, we are running both Yii2 application and Vue.js application. Now we need to start actually building Nodes application, first on Vue.js side, and then build REST API on Yii2 side.